We live in a digital age where technology is an integral part of our daily lives. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, we are surrounded by digital devices and systems that make our lives easier and more connected. Computers and technology are everywhere, seamlessly integrated into our homes, workplaces, and even our pockets. These devices are not just tools, they are gateways to a vast digital world. This digital world relies on skilled professionals who design, build, and maintain the systems we depend on. These experts are the architects of our digital age, ensuring that everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Two key players in this world are computer scientists and information technologists. While their roles may seem similar, they each bring unique skills and perspectives to the table. Computer scientists are the innovators, creating new software and hardware solutions. They delve into the theoretical aspects of computing, exploring algorithms, data structures, and the principles of programming. Understanding these differences can help you choose the right career path. If you are passionate about creating new technologies and solving complex problems, a career in computer science might be for you. Computer science, or CS, is the study of computers and computational systems. It encompasses a wide range of topics, from artificial intelligence and machine learning to cybersecurity and software engineering. It dives deep into the theory, design, and development of software and hardware. Computer scientists work on the cutting edge of technology, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Information technology, or IT, on the other hand, focuses on the application of technology. IT professionals are the implementers, using existing technologies to solve business problems and manage information systems. IT professionals use their expertise to ensure that technology works for people. They manage networks, maintain servers, and provide technical support, making sure that businesses and organizations can operate efficiently. Both CS and IT are crucial for our digital world. Without computer scientists, we wouldn't have the innovative technologies that drive progress. Without IT professionals, we wouldn't be able to use these technologies effectively. CS provides the foundational knowledge and tools, while IT applies these tools to real-world scenarios. Together they form a symbiotic relationship that fuels the digital revolution. Together, they drive innovation and keep our digital lives running smoothly. Whether you are interested in the theoretical aspects of computing or the practical applications of technology, there is a place for you in the digital world. Computer science is the backbone of the digital age. It is the driving force behind the technology that powers our daily lives, from the smartphones in our pockets to the complex systems that run our cities. Without computer science, the modern world as we know it would not exist. It is a vast field that explores the theoretical foundations of computing. This includes understanding how computers process information, how algorithms are designed, and how data is managed and stored. The study of computer science is not just about learning to code, it is about understanding the principles that underpin all of computing. CS professionals are the architects of the digital world, designing algorithms, programming languages, and operating systems. They work on creating the software that powers everything from simple applications to complex systems that manage global networks. Their work is crucial in ensuring that technology is efficient, reliable, and secure. One of the core areas of CS is programming. Programming is the process of writing instructions for computers to follow. It is a skill that requires logical thinking, problem-solving, and creativity. Programmers use their skills to create software that can perform a wide range of tasks, from simple calculations to complex simulations. Computer scientists use programming languages like Python, Java, and C++ to write instructions for computers. Each language has its own strengths and is suited to different types of tasks. For example, Python is often used for data analysis and machine learning, while C++ is used for system programming and game development. They develop software applications, websites, and complex algorithms that power our digital world. These applications can range from simple mobile apps to large-scale enterprise systems. The algorithms they create are used to solve problems, optimize processes, and make decisions. Another important area is artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is the field of computer science that focuses on creating systems that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. This includes tasks like recognizing speech, understanding natural language, and making decisions. CS researchers are developing intelligent systems that can learn, reason, and solve problems like humans. These systems use techniques like machine learning and neural networks to improve their performance over time. AI has the potential to revolutionize many industries, from healthcare to finance to transportation. Cybersecurity is a critical aspect of CS in today's interconnected world. As more and more of our lives move online, the need to protect our data and systems from cyber threats becomes increasingly important. Cybersecurity professionals work to identify and mitigate these threats, ensuring that our information remains safe and secure. CS professionals specialize in protecting computer systems and networks from cyber threats. They develop security protocols, encryption algorithms, and intrusion detection systems to safeguard our data and privacy. Their work is essential in preventing cyber attacks and ensuring the integrity of our digital infrastructure. Data science is another rapidly growing field within CS. Data scientists use algorithms and statistical models to extract knowledge and insights from vast amounts of data. This information can be used to make informed decisions, predict future trends, and gain a deeper understanding of complex systems. Data scientists work with large data sets, using tools like machine learning and data mining to uncover patterns and relationships. Their work is crucial in fields like healthcare, finance, and marketing, where data-driven decisions can lead to better outcomes and more efficient processes. The field of computer science is constantly evolving, with new technologies and techniques being developed all the time. This makes it an exciting and dynamic field to work in, with endless opportunities for innovation and discovery. Whether you are interested in programming, AI, cybersecurity, or data science, there is a place for you in the world of computer science. It is a field that offers a wide range of career opportunities and the chance to make a real impact on the world. So, if you are passionate about technology and eager to solve complex problems, consider delving into the world of computer science. It is a journey that can lead to a rewarding and fulfilling career, and the chance to be at the forefront of the digital revolution.